Hello, welcome to Bricksntech. It has been a while since I've been able to do a video and a build. I have been away most weekends, and so that has taken up my time, but that means I have multiple sets to get through, and there are more sets coming out. So the first sets to get through are the Disney 100 celebration, and I'll be doing this today. Oswald the Lucky Rabbit 189, Mickey 190, Snow White 191, and Tinkerbell 192. And then following on from there, we've got 193 Wall-E and 194 Eve. Then we move to Disney Villains, Cruella de Vil 195 and Maleficent 196. And then we go into 197 Moana and 198 Merida. They are going to be some great builds. Just look at the packaging. They look fantastic. But then later this month, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, because I believe they're meant to be released earlier this month, we move into set number 199 and 200. And I believe the 200 set is a Tetris, not a Tetris set, it's a Minecraft set. Which is an interesting selection for the 200. I believe it's a single character, not like these, which are doubles, and the 4 set there. So that will be set number 200. Anyway, this is the one we're going to do today. Set number 40622, Disney 100 celebration. And that's it. I think I might do them as 4 individual speed builds. So I hope you can hang around. Welcome back. Thanks for hanging around. Well, this build, the 4 Brickheadz that I have here, being Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, Mickey. Then we have Snow White and also Tinkerbell. Now, this took me best part of 50 minutes to do all 4, just over 45 minutes, 47 minutes in total. With Oswald the Lucky Rabbit being the quickest in only 8 minutes, where the longest was Tinkerbell, which was just over, it was on 13 minutes. It took me to build, so a little bit of time in these, but I think they are pretty good sets. Like these two here, Mickey and Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, not much to them. Black and white, or blue and black in Oswald's case with a bit of white. Pretty straightforward. Snow White was a nice build, slightly different to other builds, but Tinkerbell was my favourite, and it was really done in 2 parts. You did the base, the legs, and you did the head, and that should come away pretty easily. And what the interesting part about Tinkerbell was, the Tinkerbell is only built on 2 studs wide, 4 studs wide, 2 studs deep, where usually Brickheadz are 4 studs. Now, with these other pieces, yes, it does go out to 4 studs as the base plate here, but the legs through to the torso is built on 2 studs deep, and you don't often get that in Brickheadz, but it was very good. So there we have it. Now, the other odd part about this set is you would think that with Oswald the Lucky Rabbit being 189 and then Mickey being 190, Snow White 191 and Tinkerbell 192, that the instructions would come out in that order as well, but they don't. So Mickey was the first one, was bag number 1, and then you had Snow White as bag number 2, then you had Oswald the Lucky Rabbit as bag number 3, and Tinkerbell as bag number 4. As you can see in the instructions here, bag number 1 there for Mickey, Tinkerbell bag number 2, not Tinkerbell, sorry, Snow White, Oswald the Lucky Rabbit bag number 3, and then bag number 4 was Tinkerbell. Just something a little bit odd, which I don't quite understand why Lego would do that. But anyway, that's okay. This set comes with 501 pieces, so it is a large set, especially for Brickheadz. That equates to, what, 125 pieces each. There are more pieces in these two, being Snow White and Tinkerbell, than these two, is my guess from what I could work out. Didn't go counting them, but that is my guess. I thought they were a little bit lazy with Mickey with the ears. They come off really easily. The attachment of the ears is a bit lazy, I think. But anyway, that's okay. It's not a set you're going to be playing with. And then there are also no additional pieces. So all the hands are set pointing down, and there are no additional little items that they're carrying that you often get with Brickheadz sets. But you know, they're just little things that I've noticed doesn't detract from the set at all. So great to be back building again after about 2 months of not having the chance to sit down and spending any time on it. So I'm looking forward to the next month or so, getting through what I've got, and also with this 200th Brickheadz set coming out very, very soon. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for hanging around, and until next time, bye for now.